Hi, hello, welcome to Smart Biology Tricks. Today we're going to see about Introduction to Biotechnology. This video will be helpful for the students who wants to know what biotechnology is and to become a biotechnologist in their career. I am Ajay, pursuing 3rd BC Biotechnology in RVS College of Arts and Science, Sulu, Coimbatore. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology refers to the technology used in biology, which has application in agriculture, food processing industry, medicine, diagnostics, bioremediation, waste treatment, and energy production. Biotechnology deals with the technique of using live organisms or enzymes from live organisms to make products and process that benefits on human beings. The definition for biotechnology given by European Federation of Biotechnology is the integration of natural sciences and organisms, cells, parts thereof, and molecular analogues for products and services. Father of biotechnology. Karol Ereky was an Hungarian agriculture engineer. He coined the name biotechnology in 1919. He is regarded as father of biotechnology by an unknown person. He was born on October 20, 1878 and passed away on June 17, 1952 at the age of 73. According to Ereky, biotechnology indicates the process by which raw materials could be biologically upgraded in socially useful products, and that is what he mentioned in his book called Biotechnology for Meat, Fat and Milk Production in an Agriculture Large-Scale Farm. This is the picture of Karl Ereky, known as the father of biotechnology. There are 5 main branches of biotechnology based on the applications. So they are animal biotechnology, medicinal biotechnology or medical biotechnology, industrial biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, and plant biotechnology. These are the some of the branches which, apart from those 5 major parts, bioinformatics, genomics, proteomics, genetic engineering, diagnostics, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, energy and environmental management, food innovation, etc. First one is animal biotechnology. It is a branch of biotechnology deals with the development of transgenic animals for increased meat and milk production with resistance to various diseases. It also deals with the in vitro fertilization (IVF) technology of egg and transfer of embryo to the womb of female animal for further development. Medicinal biotechnology or medical biotechnology. It is the branch of biotechnology deals with the diagnostic of various diseases, large-scale production of various drugs and hormones such as human insulin and interferons. Vaccines of chickenpox, rabies, polio, etc. are produced in this manner, and growth hormones such as bovine. In this field, medicine science, medical science, genetic engineering are helped in large-scale production of hormones, blood serum proteins, in the development of antibiotics and other medicinal properties and medicinal products. Industrial biotechnology. It is the branch of biotechnology deals with the commercial product of various useful organic substances such as acetic acid, citric acid, acetone, glycerin, etc. and antibiotics like penicillin, streptomycin, mitomycin, etc. through the useful of microorganisms, especially fungi and bacteria. So large scale of food processing can be done here, like milk industry, milk and milk products industry comes under industrial biotechnology, used for the processing of food and food products. Plant biotechnology. Plant biotechnology is the combination of tissue culture and genetic engineering. It deals with the development of transgenic plants with resistance to biotic and abiotic stress like drought resistance, salinity resistance, etc. Development of haploid, embryo rescue, clonal multiplication, and cryopreservation, etc. Applications of biotechnology. There are many applications of biotechnology, but 4 main applications are repeated here. They are agriculture, medicine, biopharmaceuticals, food processing, and environment. Scope of biotechnology. While we are seeing scope of biotechnology, these are the general scopes which are available around the world. So they are healthcare and medicine. First, biotechnology has prominent measures and prominent process on healthcare and medicines. Next is cosmetics and agriculture, animal husbandry, and genetic engineering in both plants and animals. Environmental conservation, like in environmental studies, like conserving environment with bioremediation processes, which is involved in biotechnology. Medical coding, textile and food industry, and forensic also. And research-based scope of biotechnologies are medical scientists who can work as a medical scientist in laboratory and also in hospitals, biological technicians for laboratories for diagnosing diseases, medical and clinical lab technologies and technicians, biochemists and biophysicists, biomedical engineer, a microbiologist, epidemiologist, R&D, that is research and development in also defense field. These are the research-based scope for biotechnologies. So these are the references. I hope you all are safe in this lockdown situation. So this is a small video that for biotechnology. You can know more about biotechnology in the next video. So like, share and subscribe Smart Biology Tricks.